Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the Cumbor 2-pack Baby Gate, a versatile and stylish retractable gate perfect for both babies and pets. This innovative gate stands 33 inches tall and extends up to 55 inches wide, making it ideal for doorways, hallways, and staircases, while its retractable mesh design allows it to roll up neatly, saving space and easily transforming your home back into an adult-friendly environment. The safety locking feature, with its easy-to-use knob, ensures that adults can operate it with one hand, while keeping curious little ones and pets securely in place. Crafted from soft mesh material, this gate minimizes the risk of injury, and with no bottom balustrade, it eliminates trip hazards, making it the best choice for busy parents. Whether you need to secure your kitchen, bedroom, or outdoor spaces, the Cumbor Baby Gate is designed for any location, providing peace of mind and a safe area for your child. Installation is a breeze with the included tools, brackets, wall anchors, and screws, allowing you to set it up in minutes without any hassle. With 2 gates included, this product offers a comprehensive solution for ensuring safety and convenience in your home.